My name is Louise Crowley. I am a professor in the School of Law and the director of the Children's Rights and Family Law LLM. And I'd just like to take this opportunity to give you an insight into the programme that we deliver. The LLM in Children's Rights and Family Law at the School of Law in UCC is one of a kind in Ireland. It is a very specially developed, unique programme which uses the best of the law school's expertise in all aspects of children's rights and family law, and together we have collaborated to develop this master's level programme which gives you the insight, education and understanding of so many issues related to children's rights and family law. The focus of the programme is, as per the title, all aspects of children's rights and the broader family law issues within which they exist. We look at the relationship between the state and children, the state and family, and the way in which they interact and respond to the roles and responsibilities of the state in respect of protecting children and the broader family unit. The programme gives rise to an examination and exploration of a range of key issues, both at a national and international level, looking at the challenges facing children and the pursuit of children's rights, both nationally and globally. And ultimately, the programme, in covering all of this material through the eyes and supports of experts in the field, provides students with that unique opportunity to gain practical experience and understanding of these challenges and these issues, and also to do so within the context of the clinic environment. So an additional element of the programme, in addition to the taught elements within it, are two clinics, the Family Law Clinic and the Child Law Clinic, both of which join the academic community with the law and practice and give students the opportunity to gain practical clinical experience relating to lawmaking, submissions in relation to draft legislation, as well as supporting ongoing cases in relation to children's right matters and also family law disputes. As regards the course structure and the way in which we deliver it, the full programme requires the completion of 90 credits. So in order to ensure that all of our graduates complete the full range of modules which cover children's rights and family law, it is quite a structured and fixed course. 80 of the 90 credits are compulsory and predetermined, and this approach has been adopted to ensure that all students get that balanced and comprehensive exposure to all relevant areas of law. So within the year of study, students will be required to take the following core modules: comparative family property law, juvenile justice, international children's rights law and practice, and the family and the law. And taken collectively over the academic year, these modules ensure that students are exposed to all issues and understand how they interrelate with each other. Additionally, as part of the 90 credits, students are required to complete a dissertation in an area of children's rights and family law that interests them, and they're given the opportunity to immerse themselves in that area and to produce their dissertation, which is valued at 30 of the 90 credits. The remaining 10 credits to be taken will include at least one of the clinics. So students are required to register and complete either the Family Law Clinic or the Children's Rights Law Clinic. And finally, for the last 5 credits, the students are given the opportunity to select one elective module. As you can see, we offer international refugee law, mental capacity law, the legal regulation of cohabitation and emerging family forms, mental health law, and then the 2 clinics are also included in this list, as students can take a second clinic if they want to immerse themselves in both clinics for the practical experience of the application of law in practice. In terms of course practicalities, the classes at a master's level on this programme are delivered in a seminar style, which means that each class is a 2-hour block, and it will be delivered on a weekly basis at some stage in the course of the teaching day, typically 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and those run 5 days a week. So each seminar will require students to engage with the required advanced reading to ensure that students are well positioned to contribute to class discussions and debates every week in relation to the issue being covered in any given seminar. Most modules are 10 credits, and so they run for the 12 weeks of a semester every week. And the modules that are 5 credits, which include the Family Law Clinic, the Child Law Clinic, and the other 5 credit electives, run for 6 weeks in the semester. Typically, all taught modules are examined through continuous assessment, and the requirements for each module will be specific and set out in the book of modules, and will of course be explained to you at the beginning of the module by the relevant lecturer delivering the course in question. The dissertation is submitted in September, 12 months after you commence the programme, and so typically students would spend the summer having completed their assignments that are set from September through March. They would spend the rest of the months over the summer period completing their dissertation and submit it then in early September. We're very lucky in the law school that we have a range of experts in areas of children's rights and family law who are recognised both nationally and internationally and are actively involved in the development of law and policy in relation to their areas of research, both nationally and internationally, and are renowned figures for their expertise in the different areas covered. And that research and real-life experience can be brought to the classroom experience and ensures that we have an incredibly interesting and robust dynamic in the class delivery. As regards career opportunities and employability, the range of careers taken by our graduates is quite incredible. The skills that are learned and the education that is secured in the course of this programme means that some participants will use the opportunity of completing the programme to continue in their current career trajectory, but being very much enhanced as regards their opportunities given the training and experience that they have achieved over the course of the LLM. The nature of the qualification is very unique and provides an incredibly robust and detailed exploration of all aspects of child law, children's rights and family law, and so really enhances the career opportunities for any graduate of the programme. One obvious route for graduates would be to continue to the legal professions and become a specialist in one or more areas of children's rights and family law, and to use this in the course of their profession, perhaps as a solicitor or a barrister. But in truth, our graduates are very well equipped to work in a range of areas that impact upon children's rights and family law. And we have seen graduates working in government departments and agencies, developing law and policy, working with NGOs nationally and internationally, pursuing the vindication of children's rights across the world, and many other organisations and bodies that work with children's rights, work with children, and also the regulation and support of families in society through the application of law. The qualification of the LLM in children's rights and family law is recognised hugely and reflects very well on our graduates. It's seen as very attractive in particular to government agencies, to statutory or children's organisations who require staff who are engaged with and interested in children's rights and family law, but who also have the legal expertise that is acquired in the course of this programme completion. And so who is entitled to secure a place? Who qualifies to secure a place on the LLM Children's Rights and Family Law? So every application is considered and determined by the School of Law on its own merits. So generally successful candidates are those who perhaps have completed a law degree, a level 8 degree, and have secured a 2H1, a second class honours grade 1 in that law degree. Those applicants will secure a place. However, given the nature of the programme and its relevance to so many fields of practice, we also encourage and welcome applications from those who have another relevant third level education qualification related to the area of children's rights and family law, or those who may not have that third level educational qualification but have significant and relevant professional experience that is deemed by the School of Law to qualify that person to undertake the LLM in children's rights and family law. This in previous years has included social workers, people working in the probation services, people working in medicine, in education, where they work and engage with children and family units in their professional capacity. So we encourage applications from anyone who feels that they might come within any of those requirements. And finally, the question of fees and funding. The EU fee for this course, so anyone who is an EU citizen pays €7,130, and this can be also paid where a student takes the course on a part-time basis, thus the payment would be over 2 years as per the slide. And then finally, the non-EU fee for the programme is €17,000. So if you have any questions on this programme, please do engage with the law school on the postgraduate day, or equally do contact the law school with any queries that you may have. So thank you for your time.